Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to BankWest Online Banking Account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser of your choice to get started. Into the URL box, type in bankwest.com.au and press enter. You'll end up in the official web page of BankWest. Mouse over to the login button at the top right and click on Personal Online Banking. In the login area, type in your personal access number associated with the account. And if you've forgotten your personal access number, click on Forgotten Your PAN link and follow through the on-screen prompt. After you are done typing your password on the next field, if you've forgotten your password as well, you can reset by clicking on Reset Your Password Online and following the prompts. Finally, click the login button after you are done entering your correct credentials and you'll be able to log into your BankWest Online Banking account. That's how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.